According to the American Heritage Dictionary, AI is defined as the ability of a computer or other machine to perform those activities or tasks that are normally thought to require intelligence. My name is Hernan Cortez. I am a theater arts teacher with PSJA ISD in Pharr, Texas. I have been teaching theater for 17 years. As a theater teacher, I enjoy creating my curriculum, being creative, and having fun with my students. After COVID, many things changed for me and other educators. Technology came to the forefront, and it was essential to use technology to get creative and help engage students with our lessons. Now, with the emergence of AI, we need to learn to not be scared, but instead embrace it and use it to our advantage. This is why I decided to do my self directed learning on AI for educators by Microsoft. In this video, I'll be going over the lessons learned, my experiences, and future directions after completing the self directed program. I chose this program because I wanted my classroom to be used for telling stories and to be able to use our creativity to visualize what we create. I found with this program that Copilot has these capabilities. For example, in my program, I created a spa retreat up in the woods. It was quite entertaining to see the pictures and use prompts to create this world. It contained pictures of a menu as well as pictures of the food. I would love for my students to be able to create the same things. For myself, I want AI to change things up, find new ways of assessing the students, and help students that may struggle with the English language. I have noticed a change in the way that we have been using technology, and there's a big divide among the students. Currently, I have students who have found that using AI helps them create stories and helps them do their work for them, while others are still struggling to organize their thoughts. I want to close that gap, and I want all my students to be able to safely and responsibly use AI. They need to be taught to use AI, but to always fact check the results. And while it's easy to put a prompt and copy paste the results, teaching them that the human element when telling stories is just as important. The way I approached this program was by creating a schedule. The program was broken down into 5 modules, each module lasting between 1 to 2 hours. I wanted to finish early, but I didn't want to rush through it because I wanted to learn as much as I could from each module. So I gave myself a week to complete it. I would complete 1 module a day, and it would allow me time to explore each module that I was working on. The program derived from Microsoft incorporated AI associated with Microsoft and its apps. During the program, I used things like PowerPoint, Teams, and Bing with Copilot. There were activities in the lessons that I was working on, and the activities coincided with the lesson. There was videos and text that helped in learning each lesson as well as some websites to further my understanding. And at the end, a knowledge check with multiple choice questions that determined your success in each module. My key takeaway from AI for educators was how powerful it is and how using it to help answer questions is merely scratching the surface of its capabilities. As an educator, we can use AI to help with personalizing learning, which analyzes individual learning needs and enables educators to tailor instruction and materials to meet each learner's needs. Engage learners. It provides interactive experiences and immediate feedbacks to learners. Engage learners. Provides interactive experiences and immediate feedback to learners, helping them jumpstart the creative process and improve learning outcomes. Analyze data efficiently. Assist educators in delivering actionable insights from data across different places, like in Insights. Improve accessibility. Build more equitable learning environments with tools like Read Aloud, dictation, translation, and captioning. Create custom content. Create lesson plans, quizzes, rubrics, and other class resources in any language and for any level of learner. With Bing being a Microsoft search engine, as well as its incorporation with Copilot, I was able to understand how to use Copilot as a way to have a conversation with it and organize my thoughts. I learned that the prompts that we use for their help, the most important aspect of using AI. The clearer and more concise we can be, the better answers we are going to get. Using limitations like how long we want the response to be is important, addressing the age that it's meant for, and being detailed can help in getting the best answers for our questions or for using it for its intended purpose. One of the other lessons that stuck with me was using the Reading Coach program. It is a program that can be used through Teams that helps the students practice reading out loud. While AI for Education was a great program, I am planning on expanding my knowledge of AI and work on learning about other programs as well. I think with teaching, just like any other career, it's important that we continue to stay at the forefront of innovation and to keep up with the changing landscape of teaching and technology.